Honey, I was in tears almost.
I won.
Hi, look who looks cute. I like doing that now because of that TikTok dance. If you know, you know. These lashes are so spring summer. Like, don't play with her. They're so cute. Look at it. There's like mini butterflies. They also have hearts and like maybe stars. I don't know. They have a whole bunch of line with like cute lashes like this. So, yeah. But then I just seen a DIY yesterday, so I'm just like, I could have made these myself. But with what time? Who am I kidding? Anyways, we are about to go run a few errands. And I'm breaking out. So, I've been really stressed out because I still cannot find my ID. I believe I told you guys the day that, or the night that I was going out, that I couldn't find it, and I still can't find it. It's my cat. I cannot talk. Do I have coffee? So it is 11 p.m. I just realized I didn't update you guys, but I did not find my ID at the postal or Shaw's. Lace is lifting. Yeah, I really love how this look came out. Super simple, but it's so cute. You effing that ish up. Yum, yum, yum. Imani is eating. Imani is eating. Imani is eating. Imani is eating. Hi, guys. Ooh, lips are crusty. So today is Saturday, and this is the look in progress. It's taking forever to complete because it's rhinestones. But yeah, going to go get some grub. My lips are bad, so.
Is the same address or is that?
Ready? Cook some shrimp tempura. What's this?
The tempura batter.
Okay, whole setup and everything. You might have did something. Might have. Real official. Really, really official.
Little taste test right now. Me and my sister, whatever. Okay, shrimp tempura sushi. I mean, I tried. It don't look all that. It's like falling apart, but I still did that, bitch. Period. A little bit of spicy mayo. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Crazy.
Rats are driving me insane. Less of you, because you sick. So you being actually sweet.
Go before you go.
Oh, collision! Oh! Can I set up my camera?
Okay.
I want this one. Let's see, let's see.
Make sure y'all
it's super
taste the
sticky.
spicy mayo and the pickled ginger too. No. Here, you're gonna eat this.
Jonathan, I need your face, like, your expression. Everybody, hello? Hello?
Oh yeah.
What's this?
Pickled ginger.
Let me take my
Hey
bite.
guys, I'm here too.
I'm gonna just go for it.
Wait, what's this?
Watch out.
Okay. 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 I know my goals.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my fucking god. No.
What's good?
No.
You do it.
No.
Give him some. He can't have some.
I did that.
Oh.
A few moments later.
Life is popping. Life is great. Skin is great. She's great. Yeah. Wait, my top, babe, please. Take off my top. Cheers.
Cheers, okay.
I really need to get my brows done. But yeah, just going out to grab a bite and drinks, maybe. I don't know if I'm drinking though, because you're not supposed to if you're doing the whole Ramadan, which I cannot. So I do like 1 day a week because that is what I am able to do. And even today felt very bad for me because I slept at like 4 something last night. It wasn't really wise of me. I just feel like my energy is very off right now because I am... What the heck was that?
I was shocked, honey. I was in tears almost.
I just watched back the film and it looked like nothing flew to my head, but I swear I heard a buzz. I do want to speak on my experience, at least the first time and this time. By the way, this was my first time ever fasting in any type of way. Number one, I wanted to do it to help out with my man because he does it. Just kind of support him, make it easier for him. Also, I always wanted to try a type of fasting because I know it can help kind of reboot your immune system, mental capacity, and like stuff like that. So I really wanted to just test it out, see how well I would do. I really enjoyed it. First Friday doing Ramadan was very well. Like, it went perfect, and we prayed together, I believe twice. He taught me how they pray. So we did it with like a mat and everything. Still probably can't pronounce the words right, but I really did my best. And I feel like that was the most formal prayer I've done in years. Like, when I say years, probably more than a decade. Like, it was hard. Like, by noon, I was starving. I was like, bro, like, I'm dying. Overall, that whole Friday went by pretty fast, and I was able to do it successfully. I felt very accomplished, extremely happy. I don't know how many times I have to say that, but I was really proud of myself for just accomplishing that. I feel like I just connected with God way more in one day than I did in like maybe years. So I felt like that was really important for me, which is why I was just like, yeah, I definitely want to make this something that I can do once a week. I am very, very dehydrated, very tired, very drained. I did pray, but not as much as I would have liked today. I don't even think I should have done my makeup today.
Young Money. Hey, Young Ferg.
Yeah. Ride with the mob, hamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Ferg is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Torn on for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Yamagini Jane, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes nigga feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria. Mama see me all big, kids not tearing up. I'ma start killing niggas, how you get that tripe? I attended holla picnics when you risked your life. Uncle used to skim work, selling nicks at night. I was only 8 years old, watching Nick at night. Uncle Sucker was in that bathroom bucket. Back to his gut, hope that it don't cut him. Suicidal thoughts brought to me with no advisory. He was pitching dummies, selling beans.
Mimi. Oh. Can we just enjoy where we are? Why do you have to climb down? And if you climb down, you're gonna bust your head open, Nene, please. Please don't do it, Nene, please. Please, Nene, please. Ugh. I was so comfy. Don't fucking get in my video. Huh? Don't ever. You're not driving. That's like really unsafe.
How the fuck is she exceeded? Like, can you put this back?
Like why? Like this is what I be talking about when I say like why men
burn
exist.
a lot of money and I smoke a lot of spice.
Do you guys hear what he's playing right now to piss me off?
My name purposely. But when you see me, I'm wine.
And it's like that time of month. Why are you playing with me? You really want to get hurt?
Unfortunately, that's a hit.
Yeah, back.
Do you ever feel
my name Kodak Black, but when you see me,
man, you can't do New Music Friday. Like, this is the first thing you play.
Welcome to the club.
There's a song.
It's not.
Okay.
Babe, don't play the song. Babe. I was supposed to go to this blanket and bunnies cute event for Imani because they're both really cute. They're the same dog.
No.
They're the same dog.
Not the same hair texture.
Okay. Are these the same dogs? Yes, they are. They're the same.
I don't care. They're different to me.
Because it's different colors, and you sound so racist right now.
Well, like the brown is the most beautiful. That's not my fault.
They're both cute. So yeah, we didn't get to make it to the Blanket and Bunnies event because I had to do everything on my own because I was gonna go by myself, and then last minute he wouldn't be like, oh, I can help you. And I was like mad late. Okay, we get it. You don't feel good. When men don't feel well, it's the end of the world. It's the end of the world.
That was the time of the month for me. Come on.
Babe. And the worst part is that he be thinking he's really funny, like you're not.
I'm not. You're the one laughing at my stuff.
I wasn't laughing. I was laughing at you, not with you.
But I never see you had to laugh at me because I was not laughing.
Thank you, Nini. Yeah. So right now we are going to do some shopping.
Oh, I don't know about that.
I guess he wants to make up to me, you know, for the BS he put me through today. So.
Just my daughter's walking barefoot for the last 7 months.
No, deadass.
I don't even care about her feet. It's just like, it's annoying that I have to like wash her feet every morning. So.
You wash your feet? Every morning?
At least I wake up and I have the impression that I do.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, anyways, so we're gonna go get her some shoes, some clothes. Because, yeah, she needs it. And we're gonna get me some things
This dude just grabbed his Nike bag like it's a Louis Vuitton bag or whatever. He did like this. Bro, come on, please stay on, bro.
I mean, Nike is like kind of like expensive athlete wear. Is that what you call it? Sportwear. But isn't there a word that's like athleisure? Oh, so that's something else. It's definitely a word. This bitch just walked right in the traffic like that. She bold.
I
wish you guys saw
the traffic.
these people.
Go play in the traffic. Oh my God, Boston is so wide.
No, but literally, there's no black people. I'm barely.
Comment recrées-tu la couleur magenta? Ah, instant.
Say it again?
Comment recrées-tu la couleur magenta?
How do you create the color magenta?
Yeah, recreate it. Yeah, exactly. So how?
Oh, like with what colors?
Exactly.
Avec rouge et noir. No, marron. No. No, was avec blue and red create magenta?
Yeah, but like to an extent, like it's not gonna give you like, hey, you're a magenta, guys. Like, you have to
well, you need to be specific if you're gonna ask for a specific color. So, do you know it or you don't?
Yes, I do know.
Which is what then?
I just gave my answer, but you cut me off, so I will not repeat myself, Holmes. Little Holmes.
Hey yo, I'ma explain why you probably never see me. I push a Lamborghini, choke your magic like Houdini. My body shaped like genie, booty dreamy, waist is teeny. Yes, I told him to get titles, so he's dreamy when he leave me. I go hard in the booth, Biggie vibes, give me the loot. I'm a classy millionaire, bitches ain't got the coupe. C-O-U-T-H, cause you can't spell it either. If I call him, then he coming home, swallowing Derek Jeter. Bitches must be eating ice because I swear that bottom feet. I told you know that you my son, I should've scrapped you as a fetus. All these bitches rockin' inches cause they followin' the leader. I just switch it up on hoes and rock that afro like Lupita. I don't keep up with the Joneses, but I do know Captain Cedar. I'm with Candace, Titi, Timby, and Viola, mi amiga. Bad bitches, they gotta check in with the queen. I'm the alpha, the omega, everything.